To the channel 5 Minutes of Value. My name is Brock. Let's get right into it. Today I'm going to be talking about how pivotal next week is for the stock market. We have earnings coming next week. We have Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Tesla, Visa, MasterCard, Exxon. You get the picture. Some big companies, trillion-dollar companies. And why it's pivotal for the stock market is if these big companies are missing their earnings, it could be bad for other companies because these are the most profitable companies in the world. And basically in 2024 drove the returns for the S&P 500, especially Nvidia. But if there's miss on earnings, that could be very bad. And with miss in earnings, that could be a risk for stagflation. So stagflation is basically where earnings start to drop for companies and then inflation starts to rise. And it's like slow growth and higher inflation. So that could be a concern. So it's a really pivotal week next week to watch these earnings, pay attention. Don't trade too much because it's very risky. But there's some big companies that could tell you a lot of things about next week. Palantir as well. But yeah, it seems like a lot of big companies, very important. I know Nvidia reports the 28th of February. But yeah, just wanted to bring up the point of how important next week is for the stock market and to really pay attention to these earnings, especially if you're an investor. It could be the start of a downdraft. So yeah, pay attention, guys. Thank you guys for watching. 5 Minutes of Value is out tonight. Peace.